This is the installation instruction for a standard gas cylinder in a Steelcase seat slider Leap chair. For this, you will need a rubber mallet, a pipe wrench, a small tip flathead screwdriver, a 1/8 Allen wrench, and your new replacement gas cylinder. Your first step, take your pipe wrench, put it around your cylinder, and spin it until it comes loose. Next, you'll take your base, keep it upside down, and then you'll take your rubber mallet and you want to knock out your old cylinder. Next, you take your new cylinder, put it in, take your base, turn it upside down, place it over the cylinder. Once you have the cylinder in, you notice that by just putting it in, the cylinder is activating without using the lift lever. So that means we have to loosen our set screw, and to get to that set screw, this is what you'll do. Now I'm going to take the chair, set it on the ground, and take the seat off so I can get to the set screw. So take the seat off. There's the plastic on the seat and the metal plate. You want to take your flathead screwdriver and put it between the plastic to try to deactivate the button that is holding the seat. Now that I have the screwdriver in, I'm going to grab the seat slider lever and slide the seat right off. My seat off, I'm going to check the set screw to make sure that it is activating the button. And right here is the set screw in the middle of the chair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 1/8 Allen wrench, put it in the set screw, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise so that the button, the set screw, are just touching each other. And to know that the set screw is in proper, the chair will not move down on its own. The only way that you're able to activate the cylinder is with the lift lever. Now that your set screw, your lift lever, and cylinder are working properly, you're ready to put the seat back on. And there are these just two grooves. You just slide it. On the chair, and to lift the lever, slide it back on so it locks in place. Now your chair is complete.